Nourish your locks naturally, introducing my homemade hair oil recipe here. Say goodbye to chemical based hair products. This ancient blend of herbs promotes healthy hair growth, reduces dandruff, strengthens your roots. Let's enter into the making process. Before starting this process, do not switch on the flame now. Just keep a kadai, add fresh coconut oil to the kadai as much as you want, and add a handful of kalonji seeds, black zira, 10 to 20 cloves in it, and a handful of fenugreek, 10 to 20 shallots onion. And this is dried hibiscus flower. If you have fresh flower, you can add it. This is cuss roots, vetiver we call it as in Tamil, and this gives you a good smell to your hair oil. And this is fresh hibiscus leaves. You can add dried one as well. This is curry leaves, you can add dried one, and this is fresh henna leaves. We use this to give a good color to our hair, so add it as much as you want. I'm adding 4 to 5 chopped amlas here. Use only big amlas, and this is rose petals. Rose petals give good smell and aroma to your hair oil, and it suits the scalp irritation as well. Mix everything and now switch on the flame. Cook it around 20 to 30 minutes. Take freshly grown aloe vera, clean and chop it, add it into your oil before boiling it. This aloe vera gives good nourishment and shine to your hair, and also it acts as a good cooling agent. When you make this oil, your home smells amazing. I promise it stays a day or two. Now we have added all the ingredients. Bring the oil to boil for 20 to 30 minutes in the low flame. Once the ingredients turn into crispy, switch off the flame. Keep it aside for 24 hours, which means a day. Allow it to rest for 24 hours so that you can get the full essence and extract of the ingredients in the oil. Now you can feel the good pleasant aroma from the oil and the change of the color too. Let's filter this oil using a sieve and use a clean and fresh muslin cloth to remove the minute particles from the ingredients, because you have kind of powdery ingredient, so remove it using muslin cloth. Strain it well. This hair oil stimulates hair growth, soothes hair irritation, enhances shine and texture to your hair. Natural and chemical-free ingredients are present, so you can use it without any hesitation, and you can use it to the kids also. I'll guide you how to use this oil. Apply this oil in your scalp, massage it well, allow it to rest for 2 to 3 hours, then take a good hair bath with chemical-free shampoo and follow with conditioner. Bundle the cloth, keep a heavy object above it to extract the oil fully, because we are making it in our home and using the fresh herbal ingredients. Try this simple recipe and give your hair the TLC, which means tender loving care. Yes, definitely you deserve it.